African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
We have been the Mapon Paul, Modoizon and Rabin Batty for Ŋdi Wɔna kple gɔmedzeƒe Tony Mark-Boye enye awozo dona miegbato hã gadze egɔme tsumɔ kukua tsɔ dakpe ne mi katã be mi le ʋe ŋgbati bibɔ ya he miaŋkɔ sem. Tony Mark-Boye ye ga miagbɔ tso fifia va se ɖe gawo ke abe aleke mi nyae na ne wɔna dze gɔme miakple miawo wɔna miaƒe nutsotso miaƒe messages miaƒe views opinions miwo katã ke mi kpɔ be enye miaƒe susuwo yi ke miatsɔ kpe ɖe wɔna ŋua ɖoɖo gbɔ nye le 0242 670 773 dzi 0242 670 773 ke mi dakpe ne miaƒe megbedawo totɔtɔ Newslings Every Dictionary, Honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potok, so Niva J, Fola Herbal Clinic, Blair, Rich Stitches, Yo Kato Yanam, my do for my hame at that Penicata. Maybe Abba Mioha, my premianchi, a Miapo Bubludo Naum, na Milahua, Miguel Mianchi Fuga Hostel, a fear, Miele. Ke miakpe mu le bubudonya wo katã me le asi gblẽtɔ kekea ke dzi. Yo, mídza wɔna gɔme kple ŋusẽdɔme nya ɖe míemawo ɖeka va ke mía azɔ ɖe ŋgɔ akpo nu kawoe ne mía ate ŋu azã atsɔ ado ŋusẽ mía ɖokuiwo nyagbe ɖeka va ɖo le mía si yi ke mitsɔ dona ŋusẽ mía ɖokuiwo ke míyɔna be míaƒe motivational message alo motivational segment ma ye misena ŋusẽdɔmenya ɖeka va ɖo le míema hã wɔ ge le madzidzi me ke mía akpɔ nyadzɔdzɔ kawoe kami le miaƒe ŋutɔ me alo tso miaƒe ŋutɔ me ne mikpɔ woe ma ne mekpɔ woa fã mía age ɖe gɛ kple Ghana katã gblɔgodo akpɔ nu kawoe nye nyadzɔdzɔ ke gblɔm amewo le ale be mía akpɔ atanakpama hã ke ne mi ga ɖe ŋgɔ ʋea mía adzɔ nyawo me nyamedzo kpadzi enye ganyi ke nye kple mi dzɔ nya me ta mi xɔe se be abe leke mi wɔnɛ ɖa ena mía ado velia kpakple mi ale be míawoe wɔ nyɔ ke ame ke miaƒe se le Facebook share like comment ne nyakpo nu sia nu ke nye ʋe ŋgba TV tɔkɔ like share comment nenemae miate ŋu anɔ ŋusẽ dome mi ma anɔ miaƒe lɔlɔ ɖem fia miaƒe wɔna ŋdi sia ŋdi like share comment ke gbeƒã ɖe mamletɔ ma wafia dze wɔna gɔme nye enye kpli mi ye ana be igba ali ke ta mi nate ŋu awɔ na mi be ne ŋutsotso aɖe va nane keke mi katã miaƒe lãmesẽ miaƒe dedienɔnɔ kple tɔmɔ katã ke ƒudu ne nane mianya natso fon ali ɖe anyi tsui ɖe wo fon dzi natsɔ ɖo ɖe mi le 0242 670 dzi 0242 670 dzi fumae miate ŋu akpɔ be miwo ke kpɔm le miwo ke tsɔtsɔm le wo ŋutɔ mɔmɔ fuma katã mi hã mi si ta míawo zɔzɔm adu naneke madzɔ le miaƒe ŋutɔ kpa ɖeke yi ke míawo mi manya o nenemae wodze be mianɔ wɔna wɔm ma All right, myaje motivational, myaje a document, but I put have a motivational message that every sunset is proof that endings can still be beautiful. Every sunset is proof that endings can still be beautiful. Ta mi popombe akwobe vivichie ma dudum alave todum ta todum le no tatawo afodelopo aka mare considereji akpedam na mawu alo mawu subom alo eve jijo dem fia le nono tatama ike kpome nieleme egboblombe ekpo fo tororo sia tororo di aten anyakpon achoro atano fo tororo sia tororo me miagbli aleke ekpo na maku le kpore wa mi blambe. That is sunset. Every sunset is proof that endings can still be beautiful. Na do tua mi be sunset. Na jia mi be sunrise. Ta mi amokele amuganto mafia of Ghana kata gogodo na mi be sunset and sunrise kwa. Emi ngule bana jimsho mono matata dare eteko. Chami jima goba ama yalo yalo kwenye. Elifia goglombe poturu sha turu nya kparo jimbe. Ngu ngu ha atewa ga lo achon. Alo ngu ha atewa ka jetuba. Echo the municipal hospital of Wafia la Borma. The kaji area no iko blavo me. Egele nechiji. O gele nechiji a. O sebe alagba no beta. O chui cover konji. Yobaro konji onyati kodara baji nya du popo ku. Da elia di dodi comme la fa sunset ma. Comme la for turu ma du turi ma baji. Ta du na ture nya fo nanoji. Ta mano bobo ya sumo alawe comme la dada ebe lale lo mau Yehovah glemdi ajejemna na ma be. That is a sunset. Ajejemna be emau aka nwowu sha nwowu ka nyena goma jejeye nwowu sha nwowu ye ka nyena goma jejeye yare ni mejima gbanye be agba ko jejembe soro problem osigba ito edogble eduagba agba ko jejemna na ma daka abaleke achi lana alumuna vone echigaja unyasa chibobo agatenga gbogo akukuku ganiena nemene moje myako isebe agbere mila mshangu ikema goma jejelina ko muuli tane nanu mumwa ikpo achondodo ikpo tube ikpo achome ke dalene enwe anwuma nenema mjibe nyanje egba ko wona goma. Every sunset is proof that endings can still be beautiful. Waturu pileko akahoho pachucho ahia hoho magbagba ason hoho pagbagba do hoho ni hoho fa mu jilao pani mano romo gbetetro amokata jesho loko nyana nami ba ngui yare dake choyi yare eli nami kata ikagbona. Every sunset is proof that endings can still be beautiful. Tanere do ture no na marriage do ture wo nchofa do ture wo gakpo mo marriage jagbagba na gabiero kyobe ya gboho ya tule boye ke ka fufu ye ka wo ma ogale na zorengo. All right, me motivational message ma nya ko do ma chuchu piare abajo badashicho amoka de magbane nya Ŋdi Wɔna kple o mado go fiare pa plemi ke na ma wovoa ma trova azorengo plemi kple wona Tony Mark-Boye enya mi aklo mi dajo magbona.
No silence ever English dictionary. Ya tepe. But si dictionary ka so afi e passe ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a make nenya be view mo jura po. E be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Na le dile go so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno akpe. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. But I will let go. Get to put it. I too much try to toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother too much to move. I'm not go.
that another Abraham fever, kind of lay a party to point for boy hour. But the husband had the dinner on fear. Coco not do not forget a winnie, Yapon or passive and you went on young Kuroma. Well, a passive cocoa for Yakokatara.
When not go,
Vai, but I can lose to go. If I think that is a Cremont on top, Vola Patica, Bussier, wait off here.
Why you vola togo? You man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita kata nye zavola chika nya dometɔ ɖewo hã woze vola chika fofo dzivi le eme.
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yira vola to ona la masa.
Vola pachika la chika dzraƒo katã alo geɖewo ƒe dɔyɔƒea me le aƒulawu wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa akpɔ le old fashion le aƒoe ke le xɔƒoea geɖewo dzi le agɔdome Yellow House Street wodze ŋgɔ local rice dzrala tututu woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memlidagbe wa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔ ga 12 ƒoka na vola le 0244 512 1450.
Vola Nina ne miayi Vola eba senta afima mia poto yo le nyadeba Vola fi valo akloli le fude now alele le fude now domaru le fude now achi de padaka o futo makata mele to woni de wa eti ma klono ba na ile Vola eba senta ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima na poto wotu akame wakpo futo wofuka ome wofuka matutu dokata Vola eba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneva apoto come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo
ya fon bola kona mi be mi le ka ma paprem le ni activity ma da kona mi kata be mi chiami heba kona mi anchi le mi aponya jojo kaka do ya me le fon ko kaka me to call kata me ya me ke mi anko sam le Facebook mi don kujiba ajiba mi amona na adara fuma like share comment write something wonane ike adifiambe alo Ewenyigba TV alawe echiami abe wondo Ewenyigba TV Kenya tem aza ato atutu nya pe gbaboblo nya pe dekon ple nya pe tumafio wa mtapo ato yi hakata mata don kujiba eyo kata wo enya lono de defia de le alright, nia agere nya jojo ma akponka nya jojo tuyo yuke le miashi na mia holiday.com news le mia TV oji holiday.com news ke mbante kwa mina fuma yenye a covenant named successor to Kantanka Empire, a covenant named successor to Kantanka Empire. Nyavibli dora ikele emeritus professor Kantanka bela view dome pakbare nya oputana lecture ikeva imele high court again bila kwa will alo amafe kashino maroro iko amapa will amapa jichi iko mo so eba kashino po mama nchi rokwajiba amerika anye adanola na kashino mo fiaso ajodopo topo kata ike apostle safokatanka do le ahingbaji anye evia ikono tatakbo mimele le TV ojira. So that's a big story nyamanye first big story here. A covenant named successor to Kantanka Empire. Que matorafmo milon kujiba a covenant ya yenye nola ne Kristo habo boy ke yoname Kristo safo le kikakata me akofene ake ganye no nola ne ehama So, nama any big story there you can boga mi bona le napo ga ni oho yina. All right. Me don't have a message from a message to my message to Malaka, la one of my page or Jina Malagwe. Ta don't give a message to the come, Elenami and Yoka Coco, me mash the chi. Oh, all right, Mia Agazorango. La Fumak, government declares 2-day national training exercise. Government declares 2-day national training exercise. Jiruru acho memira kple koshrai ke gbona. Abankeke ke o choro anyi be ga kata gbogodo na adogo alebe nyawo tuto chachijin to akpogbo gberuwo mfu diare kemele mi oko ta bare kemana fiare ko ta memira ke gbona kple koshrai ke gbona inye tudo ke ko ta do kata nesibe jiru dan wona tuma be ocho lavu beruwa pe kakare na to katama GIFEC inspects Avate rural telephony project sites. GIFEC inspects Avate rural telephony project sites. Story ma any story ya de ke chom nyome pe nto ma le ke bota ajuji number maje ngoke khle gomat so afima. The Ghana Investment Fund for Electronic Communications, GIFEC, has intensified efforts to expand digital connectivity across the country with an inspection of ongoing rural telephony projects, RTP sites in the Volta region. The inspection was led by GIFEC's Corporate Affairs Director, Ms. Francesca Ej, who headed the team of project sites at Abate, Tonu, Abate, Agame, Abate Toji, as part of the fund's commitment to ensuring the successful delivery of telecommunications infrastructure is in undeserved communities. The visit provided the team with opportunity to assess the progress of construction works, evaluate the quality of infrastructure being developed, and ensure that the projects are being executed according to approved timelines and required standards. The Rural Telephony Project is a key initiative aimed at extending mobile network coverage and improving access to digital communication services in rural and remote communities. Takbirakwa jiru fa dobe ka kpona nyapa modam wo yo kemisana la kachacha fufu bele atoma trokore nyapa muga ntome ka choy ka vaya jiru domaga o chale ntome le nto paro be okpo kayo ka yo ocha achio ka yo tu bele bagbacha bagbaje mi jiru be nyata no phone anu no phone person network manu fura na mi o le nyapa nto katama yo wom le ro kam me kala ngona wonanye GIFEC to amike kpona do wowo bele kachacha bele to fuma mle to komeji Francisca Ej ye no nyape nto paya o yo kenya batetong abate agame plabate tuji over be yo parabe amote nfungu no konko sema na yo amere anoli don hello aba purachi olonchi alo abate enishi tama afi as no viopwa mfua ta yova uba amahia na yo le gbe kachacha mfufu mi no ko sasa plato mata pana tu apechichinchi ta jiru fa do fa palo je ka pana kachanya oji wa agboro mi panto mo gbagba jembe ntu fi o kama yo o fun aso no ni ogome ka pachuchu ma no mi na makle toji matai holiday.com arabana va akhle mamleao yo ke miaga yi ɖe ŋgɔ nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽ ma me ke yi megana no dzi mi keka mi le fia. Okay, Belgium ends US World Cup run in route. Okay, Belgium ru America dzi. Ale Belgium America dzi ru anaba America hã egbɔ va ƒe ava ɖeke Ghana viwo gbɔgbɔ va ƒe ne ru America dzi. Ta America be gale World Cup hobiblia me o. Alright, Trump rings bell to launch trumpaccounts.gov. Trump rings bell to launch trumpaccount.gov, and Nicki Minaj backs Trump with major donation. Nicki Minaj backs Trump with major donation, and Adam Segofia commends Mohammed's social protection reforms. Okay, le fuma America duko kplo la yono tata le fuma etso ke ba na ne jo la America duko maybe ma to mi vire Roma hia to mama ga ba gbo dollar ijo ma ijo ho makbo nyamara kireko. Trump rings bell to launch trumpaccount.gov for the first time from the Oval Office. President Donald J. Trump presided over the ringing of the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ opening bell to officially launch trumpaccount.gov, a federal initiative designed to promote early savings and investment for children. The ceremony fused executive symbolism with market spectacle, marking the program's formal entry into national fiscal policy. According to the Whiteboard News report, the trumpaccount.gov establishes government-backed savings vehicles intended to encourage asset accumulation from childhood. The platform is framed as a mechanism for financial literacy, wealth building, and intergenerational mobility and contribution, positioned to compound over the extended horizon. That people America to come to Coca-Cola, if to do for a gare, you couldn't be ringing a bell. If you have a ashija, my call, and you have the coma, the fuga crinking, if you ever a man, some of the New York Stock Exchange, allo America for a gasicha for ganto, gaba for ganto, well, that's that. For a gapu for nya AEG le America du kokola fuga gbengben ebo glombe yehu account alo yena mon popo ba katevi gara na no yi kama amona tem ava ajre garo no jre garo a o ga jamro na wovio ga jamro na defio ko ga jamro ko sube cho de via amata no asrole ko fananku de ashi moji alaba nkuma dapo nkuma na jire jivile na ba cho de vime ta ona mbe nyina ne kemia ka so na America du commercial trumpaccount.gov mago glombe de vio pende bi share ano ga via ra dambi alono ga dambi ne pe via ro na ba chia e gamanda takbuta anya kasino mune so generation to generation jijime. Okay, so that is that nyemanya ne Mami omyanko sema entertainment ajujinami ugaka Nicki Minaj enye American celebrity leka honko just a quick one on that one. Once a vocal critic of President Donald Trump, entertainer Nicki Minaj has repositioned herself as one of the most visible celebrity allies with reports indicating she is contributing substantial funds to Trump accounts, the administration's new savings and investment initiative for children. The shift has ignited debate across political and cultural spheres. So that's that. Miho Chuchu, Nicki Minaj, and you to be my prominent banner for the Bilako, Glomber. Ba mero chachiste Trump mchagwe go klimonino akai Trump ba wona dem to wo je gajojo ne de view de najo for gajojo investment program on of account ajoga ne de view kaka aka de me to so kwazo kesino to abajiji ejiba ga Nicki Minaj nye celebrity banto ik dashira wona maji. So those are some of the things we have. A mole holiday comes no ekajimnala nothing avai le afwan. Maybe just the last one on Segwefia's bid to become vice chairman. Segwefia commends Miami's social protection reforms. So we have something there on the campaign that Segwefia has been doing all this while, and he's saying Mama should be commended for the social reforms that he's done. But Mahama Tapoma out of Totro Yo Hamba Nyapa Ntome Nyagana Yokata Fagbema. So that is that's just a quick one, if we can. Okay, Segwefia commends Mohammed's social protection reforms. Aspiring National Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, Dr. Amos has commended reforms within the gender, children, and social protection sector under Mahama, describing them as decisive pivot from neglect to active delivery, and was speaking during an engagement with grassroots representatives in Tamale and Savannah regions. And he framed the measures as instruments that are calibrating livelihoods, restoring dignity, and reinforcing political capital at the base. Le Savanantome Jugbaoji, Tamale, Savanantome, Fumai, Segwefia, Ikenya Bodi, Kawajamba, no nine Monkopoya, Shimano Bananto, NDC Kata, Tale Fumoga, Puna, Mama, Dutu, Nayo Coco, no more Chia. That is that. Tavai Jeffrey. Afuma. Okay, Nia Adasila Hoide.com Agare Nazubane Uwaroham Akbo Nyakao Blom Wole India. Okay, Nyakbo Daybreak da Nyai Daybreak over freedom and truth. Mahama sets 2 days for national general cleaning in flood-hit regions. Over Ajari audio on Na Koyo. NDC faces accountability test over Ajari audio on Na Koyo. Mpopuare yikola fungi ukachachafia. Totova NDC ma la moro amoba biamba jibandisi na ba contact alek ajari na koyo oso abe la moyike manya amoje che mi tongu mi sebe chairman ya kule member of parliament yukunya soto gabazo abahia fiwe ne kweto mo nyabamfo produto bari yamano bi abachi na nsiama na lampura be nyaunchi ha balekisiena chairman abagwa jambe have member of parliament and all that na yaujima holiday.com. Larry Dugbe appeals contempt jail calls order void. Larry Dugbe appeals contempt jail calls order void. Okay, Mikbo, managing editor na Herald newspaper on Watatalefia, ke odi mon ke komandre, haka abe mono, etro yida wong we ka call wong drop we go to demi mo ba bo di more wong drop mabuta abe nyama to floko nyanyar ko nyama mo demo. All right. Audit Service Board member grabs over 1.315 million Ghana cedi sole source contract. Audit Service Board member grabs over 1.315 million Ghana cedi sole source contract. Ɖeka dze kpɔm le nɔnɔmetata dziafima nye Dr. Felix Kwame Ave yi ke nye Audit Service Board. Dɔmega Audit Service ko nye dziɖo dɔwɔƒe yi ke kpɔna akɔntame dzodzo dzi. Ke amegã yi le fi ma enye woƒe nunɔla wo gbɔgblɔm be etomegbe va xɔ edɔ dziɖuɖɔ be awɔ edɔ yi ke wotsɔnea ne wɔa ga yi xe gbɔ la ɖe dɔ ta nye $1.315 million. Evɔa dziɖu ƒe nyawoa ame aɖeke metona gbe xɔna. Eye xɔ ʋiʋli nanɔ nyɔ kpɔ be ame kawoe dze ne dɔ wu hafi wɔ ɖe asi dɔ ŋuti aka wotsɔe nɛ to adzame. The spider. Rail revolution begins. Ghana sails first cargo deal to cut port chaos, boost profits. Rail revolution begins. Ghana sails first cargo deal to cut port chaos, boost profits. Fifia wo glome jiu cho wana de to be opole agbako keteke ko suba otem anu agbaga orem cho nyapa melije fo anabe aleke musuna gora melije fo de fo nga no na nyo agbako kataba yo na mana jina de photo. All right, floods of shame. Who failed Accra? Bring Pang demands radical overhaul of Ghana's urban planning system. Floods of shame. Who failed Accra? Bring Pang demands radical overhaul of Ghana's urban planning system. The Kajek Mommy Banot Tade Fuma Yenye David Tameklo ikenye Spring Park to nonola kpira ko gombe echinya de ma nyam gbedoma nyo fo doma ma katutu te dami fo nyonto de miaro piofo ao jiduru do ko kele mi afa mo me assembly o me ko je bo rura dututu chia wo we dami fo amoro ko fotun afika jaun chile amotu ko atro magba ada amododo beto arabe woman bagbaje ma yo ho magbede de nyi tocho jiru do pasio afi do moyao. Nananum rebel over mining royalties lease exclusion. Nananum rebel over mining royalties lease exclusion. Makbo amotia, I don't know, I'm not sure about that. Okay, now if you how OBG. If you how BG. Nananum rebel over mining royalties lease exclusion. Nananum rebel over mining royalties lease exclusion. Nananum if you how achime ojoma leke chiru lona be khoshio to yo fo to machona gajo eke je na yo to royalties yo fo mkhekho mavara. All right, Mahama orders national cleanup after deadly floods, and Yoko, Interpol, QNet form strategic alliance against transactional crime. Model Q crime syndicate exposed. Yoko, Interpol, QNet form strategic alliance against transnational crime. Model Q crime syndicate exposed. That back from the fear about no have Jiru Dover Ikepona Amo no na Dover Gamma, just a gamma bird her fi. Ble if a catagro would do. Well, Bovito Habo Boy Wɔna do Alabo the Punang Melanam to Koresharman. Ble QNet Ikanye Dopare ike o nasabu chaba enye efidofe o reka be yo putane efi nu na yo ke amabubu wo cho duko fo ma wona ga yo ko takote fina cha joglo ko habobo bona ganke no fishaman chia kwanyanya so Bire kwa gba kiuna chenye do pomo yoke chona moto beni du come apoba mova wo afogbedo abova ocho togo ba ama togo gbedo yova osugba ma me blavo la khorakam do ko kupia kuma jo fun yi do pe osu agbo na pe no bi oba of your blaga beneva ne gbona ho e na la do 4,000 or 5,000 afia va neva gbona do ho ge gbona gakpo ge gbona maganya ge mo do po ma kiuna tonya gbomole so mi afan kpolo ve ngati Ŋdi Wɔna enyaje apo minute apo gandre minute bla to voto macho minute from mla kelangorama magakpo bala de kai kenya de enquarara to ga hodo chicho ya re mo trova nyabu nyamjuju pajinchi agare nya awu nyajojo gba mo jujonchi agare nyajojo nyam jojo majujo paji. All right, the National Enquirer, NPA cautions fuel dealers. NPA cautions fuel dealers. Ghana Exim Bank joins UN Global Compact. Ghana Exim Bank joins UN Global Compact. Julius Debra celebrates Ohun Festival with chiefs of Achim Ebuakwa. National Prayer Day not response to floods. Elvis Afria Ankara. National Prayer Day not response to floods. Elvis Afria Ankara. Mahama Cares. Tamale Teaching Hospital Titan Partnership. Mahama Cares. Tamale Teaching Hospital Titans Partnership. Thank you for your TV. Enye gbale Tamale for Uta Konji Mahama Cares Kenya jiru for do for ika da ku papara mong chiba wadi di doro kuchecho hoko to ababa klo hure de klo ko jije le gamaji afi doro na vasaron chi afanya blomole elafuma Elvis Africa ado enyang na moke ogbo men kafa wuyi Mahamado nkafa pate akpeda da Mahama le amoma dare ekweku yokome amaveno ikenya fofuma defense minister plan environment minister eke ya mahu toko helejo wo fiakole kole awuma yi bomwe mino beva versus clash beto Sam George how fari muntaka mubarak how fari kele ko jo amana kungana mai ke o tanzi rama amaye ton yeku egnomba majijina jibuwero blaton he gajim e meno refian dia jia ko imola abachila mo chakwa kwa ya nogbe ko shira kanka ke tonka ke na yoku amanya mu ike masapo every se anka wo mbo pa dam jiru ala alo Mahama kple chimola amanya do dam amako kukuta to tofa amaremo alo manya chi ke bara mo ita yokbe dam yokpa dam ra bo yobi ho bro dakbe the garage ko katata Ŋdi Wɔna le tuma on the 1st of July ma yo bi ho bro grambe hajige adakbere ma only Jesus can save the wa hamakota jiga adakbere Yesu Kristo yo bi ho afi anyavon ya ba jo. So that is that. Julius Debra National Prayer Day not response to floods. Kema kple Julius Debra nya le fiabo Julius Debra ile ohum where azangaru rume azanreji la achim ebuakwa azanreji la achim ebuakwa que Julius Debra ya fuma nom que do azamado me you know le du kopra me ngolo gamasube maga kujo ti ya gbo ire kwa amaro de mo gbana mi plega afi pepere mi anti wona kale masero fon megbe alebo hanaso nemi trova nyazorango toli magbanya nyakplom mika kashiti hoti yonchi
No silence ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. Mais si dictionary ka zon fi e passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view enyuna de vio kanu le basic level enyuna ame kanu le SHS enyuna ame kanu le university alo le language on na nya me ke manya gbegbe fio e bi aso gbegbe kra ha Muslims ebe English dictionary enyuna o ha amasia me ke na nya fa mo jura po e bi aso gbegbe ha Muslims ebe English dictionary enyu na wa mama na le din le ko so ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon alo number ka na follow screen Nigeria opotumito le ka na WhatsApp afisi african la nya ko Muslims ebe English dictionary akwa koveno akpe Muslims ebe English dictionary enyonto.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sportswears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na the Frajet Hotel but ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. Bà đã khuyến lâm rồi cái tôi quỷ.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katikanya gbogbo ya wa. But husband na di dina nuna fia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya fa no pati bani ko hi wontan nya nkura wa. Bola pati ko ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Bueno, chico,
vai bata.
Bola chika no ple. Na za
Old fashion la akwe kala kwakwe a gada woji la agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant tututu opa topo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gba wa oja dogoma ndiga adrekla afa dashina ndogawi afa okana vola la 0244 512 1452.
Bola.
Nina nemi ayi, bona eba senda. Afima mi apoto yo la, nyadeba. Bola, efi valo. Akuluri le fuda now, alele le fuda now. Domaru le fuda now. Achite padaka, ufuto makata.
Kadung kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo.
Yo, mi apa bola madafuna mbe mi lipni magaba ko do chuchu pima ko bada chuchu nya wona fa magbada idakwa na mikata be Mr. Premiership laga ba wona ananongoyi Monea nanoto akpamdo anota kekem ba ochogbe Ewenyigba yenye akpome mi le Ewenyigba le ho polytechnic me ne va ho alabe enye xɔse habobo ngake nya iketa na dzibe miado bublu na ya ke yomi le 02426770 dzi ne be ya dolo wona bo wona ke wo me mi le Ŋdi Wɔna edzo tsine ale gbegbe dzi akpere wona nchi kple gahomare Sube nyateng au wona na keketa wuya atayo mi le nomba ke chenle TV aji ko ke mia akpere mu probubu dodo ne kujo e mi are bakano ne church habo bore menele ye maumi azam mi jibo mi are papa mi akpere mu ke